So, good morning everyone. My name is Jandri Maya Manyaski. I'm from 504A. So, today I will be discussing the ROP. So, pre-order point, usage times lead time times safety stock. So, where usage, how many stock will be used, and lead time, how long it will be arrived or delivered. Safety stock is extra inventory kept to cover unexpected demand or delay. For example, if the hotel expected daily usage is 8 boxes of black pepper, the anticipated delivery is 3 to 6 days. So, how will be the hotel place the order? So, formula, ROP equals usage times lead time plus safety stock. So, ROP equals 8 boxes of black pepper times 3 to 6 days plus 8 boxes of black pepper times 3. ROP equals 8 times 3 days plus 8 times 3 days. ROP equals 24 times 24. ROP equals 48 black pepper. So, therefore, the hotel should make the order when level of inventory is at 48 black pepper. Place the order September 1. Lead time 3 to 6 days. Order will arrive is September 4. September 4 equal 3 days minimum order to lead time. Safety stock date September 4 to September 7. So that's the 3 days. So, economic order quantity or EOQ. For example, number of mangoes per kilo is 20,200 kilos. Required annually. Cost of placing an order is 350 pesos. And annual carrying cost per year of inventory is 5 pesos. So, determine the following. A, EOQ. B is number of order per year. C, total ordering per cost per year. D, average of inventory. E, total carrying cost per year. And F, total cost. EOQ formula, square root of 2 times 0 times n divide C. Square root of 2 times 350 times 20,300 kilos divide 5 pesos. So, the answer is 1,685.82 kilos. So, B, number of order per year. Formula N divide EOQ 20,300 kilos divide 1,685.82 kilos. So, the answer is 12.04 number of orders. So, total ordering cost per year or TOC formula is NO times OC. So, 12.04 orders times 150. So, the answer is 4,214 pesos. So, average inventory or AI formula EOQ divide 2. So, 1,685.82 kilos divide 2. So, the answer is 932.91 kilos. So, the total carrying cost per year or TCC formula is AI times CC. So, 932.91 kilos times 5 pesos. So, the answer is 4,664.55. So, the total cost or TC. So, formula is TOC plus TCC. So, 4,214 plus 4,664.55 equals 8,878.55. So, that's all. Thank you.